Okay, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you this car. And if you know this car, that means that you've been online, you've been checking out the Ghanaian automotive scene and seeing what is happening. So I'm going to record this car and tell you all about it. First of all, it's a Honda Accord, the 2.0T, and there's some sauce to it. It's currently the fastest Honda Accord in Ghana, and it's undisputed. That's facts. There's information, there are modifications, and there are things to back it. So I will never lie to you. There are things to back it. So here's what you need to know about this Honda Accord.
That's my bad boy.
Wow. So this is what is under the hood of the fastest 2.0T Accord. And we have the owner right here. You're laughing at your work. So tell us, what have you done to this beautiful Accord?
So I have a high volume intake, a titanium turbo inlet pipe.
Wow, shiny stuff.
Yeah, and I have an artwork vision cover from Henry Akron.
Yeah?
Yeah, and
This is so hard. So what exactly is this?
so this means sleeper in Japanese.
Okay. So your car is a sleeper.
Yeah, it's a sleeper, but it's a fire-breathing sleeper. Fire-breathing dragon.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Then I have a flex pocket and an upgraded intercooler, a down pipe and a front pipe. That's it.
And with that, he's able to push some nice power, as I said in the beginning.
Oh, I can mention numbers.
You can mention. Okay, then mention. Let's
Now
go.
on board, I'm
Yeah.
pushing 410 to the rules.
That's crazy.
Yeah, if you don't believe me, come and find out. Not be more.
Guys, if you want to find out, comment down below. Comment down below. This is indeed the fastest Honda Accord. And if you want to find out, pull up. But do you have any other thing you plan on doing to the car?
No, I think I'm done.
Right.
Done, yeah. I'm done.
Cosmetics too, you're also done.
Actually, I'm not done with cosmetics. I'm not really putting into a lot of things.
Right,
Yeah.
right.
I want it to be like stock as possible. Understand? Yeah.
Guys, we really like the car. So if you like the car, please like this video.
Also, if you want to give me money,
Come and sponsor the build. Come and sponsor the build.
If you want your girl to know that your car is fast, you can just pay me 1,000. I'll lose to you. Understand? I'll do it. Yeah.
Maybe today we'll be able to go for a ride with him to see how the car pulls. So stay tuned. Hopefully some other cars pull up and then we'll talk about them too. So yeah, in this video you'll be getting live reactions. He's losing traction in second, third. Do you know how mental that is? So how are you going to combat the losing of the traction?
Oh, I have snakes. I'm
Oh,
here to
okay.
fix. Yeah. Then maybe I'll reduce the tire pressure. So I'm still working around that whole traction issue because it's taking time from my performance.
And obviously you've upgraded your brakes as well, right?
Yeah. I got power stop rootless.
Okay.
Yeah, with the
Sheesh. Sheesh. Guys, what I've said this in the last video, get good tires, get good brakes, and then you are good to go. One day I hate plus you can see a car coming and you will still cross. Hey. Wow. I never thought an Accord could be this fast. It's not quick, it's fast.
I saw the BBO.
So the antics. Oh man, you need to experience this. It even pulls hard whilst the revs are high up there. Like it has top end. It has top end speed. Hey, Charlie, you built a monster.
And you know the funny thing? It felt like the power from the.
So yeah, we're back from the drive, and it was so fun. As you can tell, my reaction, the car has shocked me, and. If you have a Honda Accord, a 2.0 T especially, do not underestimate what your car can do and build it if you can. So this is the video for you. Hear the turbos.